Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you if Snapchat camera access not working on Android. If you are using an Android phone and you want to allow camera access to your Snapchat app, so let's see how can you do it. The first step is that you just have to press and hold the Snapchat app, and then you have got the info icon, just tap on it, and here just select permissions. And permissions, look for camera. Here's the camera, just tap on it, and here you just have to tap on allow only while using the app to allow camera access. If you won't found it here, so you can do the second step, which is open phone settings. In settings, look for apps. In apps, select see all apps, and here you just have to look for Snapchat. Here's the Snapchat app, just tap on it, and here select permissions. And permissions, you just have to select camera and select allow only while using the app. Just tap on it, and in this way you have successfully enabled the camera access for Snapchat app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.